Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up a welcome message in your Discord server using the DynoBot. So first, you need to go ahead and access the server settings. Select the name of a server in the top left corner of your screen, then open the server settings. From the left-hand side, go to App Directory. Here, search for DynoBot. Select Add App, which is highlighted in purple color. A new tab will open. Select the server where you want to add this DynoBot. Then tap on Continue. Dyno will request access to your Discord account. Click on Authorize to grant it. Go through a verification process, and you'll see a welcome box. Select your prefix, choose your time zone, select Next, choose your update channel, tap on Next again, and tap on Done. Now from the modules section, you need to scroll all the way down and you'll get this section of Welcome. Toggle this option on and go to its settings. Now select a message type and type in your welcome message. Then select your channel in the channel options. If you want to send welcome message in a DM as well as a private message, check this box over here. Then tap on update, which is highlighted in pink color, and you'll be done. Now, if someone joins your Discord server, Dyno will automatically send your custom welcome message to the designated channel. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.